Ever wonder why your knuckles make that loud pop when you crack them? For years, people thought it was bones rubbing together, but that's not true. Here's what really happens. Your joints are surrounded by fluid that keeps them moving smoothly. When you stretch or pull a joint, tiny gas bubbles form inside that fluid. The popping sound you hear is those bubbles bursting. And no, cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. Multiple studies have found no link between the two. At most, cracking too often might make your hands a little weaker temporarily, but it's not dangerous. So that satisfying pop? It's just gas escaping, not your bones breaking. Do you crack your knuckles? Comment below and follow Bright Mind Vault for more everyday facts.